Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Annie. So guys, in today's video, we'll be making bread buns. You are welcome. So let's get started. So my old subscribers, thank you so much. My new subscribers, of course, I want to say thank you so much. So guys, this recipe is a very simple one. All you have to do, combine all your ingredients together. I'll be dropping the description below in the box. Check it out, guys. If you're still watching to this time, thank you so much. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. Please help me to like the video so it will go viral. Thank you so much, guys. Enjoy. So, my new subscribers, where are you all watching me from? Drop it on the comment section so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Hope you find this video helpful. Please help me to like, help me to share so it will go viral, guys. Thank you if you just tuning in. If today is your first time of coming across to my video, thank you so much. Please don't forget to like, guys. So we are done with the production. See how thick this look, guys. It's very delicious and it's easy to make. Okay. This is your popular street bread buns you can get in the street, guys. It tastes so delicious. Try and make it yourself. Will you try it yourself and thank me later, guys? Just give it a try. You're going to thank me later. Thank you. If you are still watching to this time, thank you so much. God bless you all, to all my subscribers, my new and my old subscribers. You guys are amazing. If today is your first time of seeing this video, you all are amazing. Thank you so much, guys. Give it a try and thank me later. Enjoy. Bye for now.